Hey guys, if you've got kids, it's almost back to school time and it's time to buy school supplies. I know. So I made this list to make it a little bit more fun. And this is available in Google Sheets and Excel. And I'm going to show you how it works. So there's an elementary school supply list, a middle school supply list, and a high school supply list. Everything is completely editable. You can print this out, take it with you to the store, check it off when you get done buying stuff. So here we go. So everything, like I said, is totally editable. So you can check things off when you've bought them. You can go through and see, hey, do I have anything left over from last year that we can reuse? Then you can just check it off. Then you can also go into the list. So say if there's something special that needs to be bought, or you're looking at your school supply list from the school and you want to change things up, by all means, highlight it, delete it out, and then write, whatever it is. So if it's, 2 packs of pencils, if it's, crayons, washable markers, anything that you can think of, just add it to the list. If you want to print it out, you're just going to go to File and then Print, and then do the landscape version, and then you can just print that out. If you want to have a completely blank list and fill it out, then I would just highlight everything and make sure it's blank. If you don't like my category, by all means, write something else. And then, or if you like my stuff and you want to keep it, that's fine too. And then what you want to do is just make sure that, you uncheck everything off before you print it off. I would probably delete out the student and then write your student's name on there, or you can put it on there before you print it out. Same thing for the middle school supply list. Everything is ready for you. There's a few blanks so that you can add to it if there's things that you need to add to it. And then the high school supply list has a little bit of different things, like a scientific calculator, headphones, combination lock, just stuff like that. So really super easy. The only difference, if you're in Excel, there's a few things that don't work. So there's a double click to see the calendar. That doesn't work in Excel. You just have to just put in the date. And then if you are in here, the checkboxes won't be in here. It'll just have a little box. So you're just going to come in and put an X if you're in there in Excel, and that's how that will work. Or you can put yes, whatever works for you. So that's how that works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is available at savvyandthriving.com, and have a